Today's Friday, July 2nd. This is the 1977-1978 Cadillac Eldorado Fender extension filler set for my friend Tom Schaefer in Pennsylvania. This unit will be shipping out to him tomorrow as soon as I get his okay to ship reply confirmation. And this includes the complete rear set comprising the two rear extensions for the quarters, meaning the quarter panels, the lay down horizontals for the rear bumper, the license plate filler, and the monolithic front fender extensions that incorporate the two-piece construction into a single monolithic unit for the lower trim mounting, as well as for the complete front nose filler. So this is the 77-78 variant, the difference being that in 77 and 78, the last 2 years of the very large Eldorado, the tail light brake lights are in the quarter extensions as opposed to the 75-76 variant. Okay, because 75-76 has the brake lights in the horizontal fillers that lay on the bumper. So in 77-78 we're going to have a solid horizontal filler as opposed to the cavity for the braking lights, which is consistent with the 75-76 design. So this complete set, which is a 7-piece set comprising the two front nose fender extension fillers, the two rear quarter panel extension fillers, the two horizontal lay down rear bumper fillers, and the license plate trim piece. So that's a 7-piece set altogether. Okay, and this will be going out to my friend Tom in Pennsylvania as soon as I get his okay to ship reply confirmation. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1978 Cadillac Eldorados, over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 to 1978 for all the Cadillacs overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels with the WoodGrain InLay, the steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. And of course these new replacement monolithic fillers. Today is Friday, July 2nd. This is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.